Cartrefi Cymru Co-operative used to be a very good but fairly typical top-down charitable provider of social care. But we saw that the values and principles of cooperation were a really good idea for the providing of long-term, high-quality support.
We particularly saw the relevance to the multi-stakeholder cooperative model. Now the people we support, our employees and all our friends and family supporters have the opportunity to become voting members, whose opinions and needs will be given voice and status.
Cartrefi Cymru helped me with cooking. I do cooking and chatting and just finding out about stuff in the office.
Cartrefi Cymru helps me with cooking and to actually do other difficult menus that I can't do on my own. So I have Cartrefi helps me and be more independent.
Members' elected representatives can appoint or dismiss our board and can be actively involved in decisions about our business affairs and goals in a new spirit of openness. We also have a cooperative focus on bringing people together, paid and unpaid, to strengthen our communities, using local member forums to make decisions democratically and as equals. This allows us all to be valued for our talents and experience in work or in life.
The thing I like about Cartrefi is that you get the opportunity to go places and you get to do what you want. It's giving me a bit of independence. What I like about the staff is that they're friendly and they're there if you have any worries or if you need anything.
I really enjoy working for Cartrefi. I think the service they provide and their policies, etc. are brilliant. They're really a true worthwhile company to work for.
I completed my gold Duke of Edinburgh.
Fantastic.
Everybody has the opportunity to be a contributor. Giving to others is a great way to feel good about yourself. And now this door to well-being is open to everyone. Membership also enables people to enjoy a sense of belonging and to make new friends, both inside the co-op and out in the community.
The support, I think Cartrefi, I think they're amazing, and Nick has been amazing for a long time as well, and I think it's really good that I'm getting out and about more. It means a lot to me as well, like it means a huge lot to me and my family as well. It's changed a lot, my life has. It's been really good.
What I love about supporting Jack is seeing how far he's come in the time I've been supporting him. He's grown a lot more independent, his knowledge of money has grown, and he likes just talking to people out and about, which is great. That's really, really pleasing to see the progress he's made.
By being accountable to our members and having their involvement hardwired into our rules, we are really showing our commitment to the highest standards of social care and employment practice. Our core purpose hasn't changed, which is to enable the people we support to enjoy life as valued members of our communities. By becoming a community-building cooperative, we have found a great new way to put our purpose into practice.